Welcome to Drupal tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you how to install Drupal. So just go to here and then click on Portal CMS. Then you can see Drupal. Okay, now inside Drupal click on install, and then here it will prompt you for its version. Okay, so I'm going to install this version 9.1, and then here you will have to select your website name. In my case I'm selecting my website, and then I'm installing inside a folder, so I will name it Drupal 9. So remember that if you're not installing inside a directory, then you can leave it blank. Okay, so simply you can click on your website directly. Okay, now here you put your username and password. So in my case I'm putting it admin and password here. You can put any password, whatever you like. Okay, so in here you can put your Gmail ID. Remember, you should put here your correct email ID, so in case you forget password, then the password will be sent to your email ID. Now click on install, and very quickly you can see that it got installed. Now if I click on here both the links, so that's it. This is the front section of the installation. I'll just log in here, admin, click on login. Okay, I'm logged in, and inside admin, and you can see this is the interface of Drupal 9. So that's it in the installation section of this Drupal 9. In the next video we will see the admin configuration section. So stay connected. See you in the next video. Bye bye.